Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you to log into BBSI Payroll account. Follow all the steps and keep watching this video till the end. If you're new to this channel, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel. And also click the bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Let's move on to our first step. Open any web browser on your PC. Type in bbsi.com on your search bar and tap enter on your keyboard. After that, you will direct it to its official website. Now click on My BBSI Login button. Here you can see login box at the center of the screen. Type in your email address and password. If you don't remember your password or the password you clicked is not matching with password of your account, click on Reset My Password link and reset your password. Now after entering all the details correctly, click on Login button in order to log into your account. After that, you will be logged in to your account. I hope this video helped you to log into your account. If it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. I will be back in another tutorial video. Keep watching.